sure yeah.
Yazi ngibeke le story ngakhula kanzima ngisho uthanda mangilazi ngibhala le ncwadi ngale ebuhlungu inhliziyo ngiloku ngimlindile ngithi mazobuya wayiphula inhliziyo yami ngoba ngithembise yamanga ngaphelela nawuthanda ngoba ngiloku nyabhala ngiyakhala ngale ngoma uzimamela ngisho kihle esikhulu isilile nalo mcondo uyaphambana ngicinga ngawo day night nasebusuka ngisala minded meya kuphela usizwe njani uhamba ungishiye ngengane encane ngithi usizwe njani uhamba ungishiye ngenadala athutho ba namanje ngisasebuza imbuzo engapheli yo I become itandane ngoba vele wangiphika I become itandane ngoba vele wangilahla yathi uyancika 9 months esesweni you didn't feel the pain only thing is disgusting you done feel ashamed yazi bengidinga uthando yazi bengudinga most angikwazi nokubona straight yazi wona stranger me usitwana singana nhliziyo hello tata I wish you were here for me boze bona yonke inyaka yenzeka kumina